boys. Yeah. Let's go. More Nanny Terry episodes out this weekend. Right. Start cleaning this baby out. First empty the water out. You turn the filter off, which was that plug. You put this in. Give this a pump. These are very handy, these. Go. The tube goes down here into the bucket. Water comes out and then this sucks. It's like a hoover, you could say. You just carefully go under all the stones. You can see all the dirt coming up. Now, after you've done it, lift it up. You hold it up here. Wait for the water to trail. Make sure it's over your tank, so I'm tripping down there on the electrics. Go, then you push that down into the bucket, and you tip it down the toilet, not down the sink or bath. Otherwise, it'll block it. Because there might be stones. Remember, it sucks up. Not the stone. It doesn't suck the stones up. It sucks up excess dirt off the stones. You get what I mean? Then you put the bucket to one side, wash this, not under tap water like a scraper, but in the fish's water, otherwise it will kill off all the bacteria. And then you scrape all the, algae off. Make sure you leave the tiniest bit, just for the fish to eat it, if your fish eat it. If your fish don't eat it, don't leave the, don't leave algae. Make sure you get every single bit. After you scrape it all down, wash your logs and clean your filter out. I'm not going to wash my logs or anything because I like algae growing on logs because, just makes it look more natural instead of plastic. Now, once you've cleaned your filter, make sure you don't drain all the water out, leave a little bit in. Quickly go over the fish tank and push it back in. After you put your filter back, and if you're wondering why it's like that, half the water goes back normal, but half of it, well, you know what I mean. Basically, this is where the fad is. If I had it above the water so it makes oxygen, it wouldn't work. So I do it that so then the water can come down. So then it makes oxygen for the fish tanks. Gives the fish oxygen. Without oxygen, fish would probably die. Now put the water back in your tank using tap water. It does not matter because you've already got that. That will just go and just change it instantly into fish tank water. Fishy water. After you've done that, put the lid back on. Turn the filter back on. Make sure your hands are dry, but I don't really care. Go, filter's back on. It's squirting water. Lovely. Plenty of oxygen for the fish. I might put that down just a little.